Hey guys, Zane here. We're at a place called Brink of Upper Falls. There's the most awesome falls down here. I'll show at the end of this little opening segment. But we're the only people here in this whole parking lot for this place. This place was packed yesterday about noon. So we just came through and said we'll come in the morning. And it pays to get up early. We're at the Upper Falls. Pretty awesome. We're the only people here. It pays to come early in the morning. Yesterday we drove through here, it was just packed with people. Whoa, look at this. This thing is moving. Oh, baby. Woo. Off the edge here. Whoa! Woohoo! Oh man, this is powerful. It gets all calm down there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. Here's that river from the bottom where we were just taking videos. So I throw this in for a little bit extra at the end. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.